Hi, I'm Greg Boatwright with Advanced Disaster Recovery. I'm the CEO, and we service a region in the Northeast of states of New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, and PA.
Hi, I'm Angelo Fronte. I'm the Chief Growth Officer with Advanced Disaster Recovery, and I am personally based out of New York. I love coming to RIA, been coming for years, and for me, it's all about the people, doing some networking, just learning on what other people are doing in their world, asking questions, and it's also just great to help other people on things they're struggling with. And you get a lot of validation on some things that we've been working on for years. So that's been the most helpful for me. Certainly recommend the organization 110%.
Yeah, for me, the RIA, first of all, I mean, you're spot on. All the connections we make and friends over the years, but it's also a great place to meet other companies that, might be looking for an exit. We are a company that is acquiring others. We've done multiple organizations building up a regional brand. And so we meet companies here, have meetings, talk about their business. And frankly, there's those that talk to us the same way, learning about us for possible acquisition. So there's a lot of business, a lot of fun, personal connections, and just friendships. Well, we're believers about being involved in community, industry, whatever we're doing. Okay. So I think you have to do that. If you're going to be in this industry, you need to learn, you need to support it. We all have the same challenges. And so you don't have to be alone. You come here and you learn from each other, and I would strongly encourage you. It's not that expensive. I mean, what did they say, $295 to join right now? So, I mean, geez, you can find that and get one discount through the Affinity program, and you got it paid for. So I would join. You should get involved.
Yeah, 100%. When I was, before this career, I was in the Builders Association, same exact scenario there. You just really learn from the best folks in the industry. You don't have to be on your own island. There's just so much to learn, so much technology that's come into the business. This is really the best way to find these type of things. So highly recommend it. For the $299, I think they even have a $25 a month situation there. It's really a no-brainer.